Today we are going to talk about C# variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. In C#, there are different types of variables like integer, double, char, string, boolean, and a few more. Creating variables. You need to type variable name and values. It's a syntax. It's not C# statement. For example, if you want to create the string variable, string, the name of the variable's name and the value is Tom. If you want to print the value from the variable, you go to write the code console.writeLine. If you want to declare the integer variable, you will declare int, the name of the variable is num equal to 15. Print the value console.writeLine num. Now let me go to Visual Studio to create the variable and print the variable. File, new, project. We are going to write the console application. Select the console app, click next. Project name is variable, C# variables, just variables. Create. It creates the empty console applications. Now let me create the integer variable. I will copy this variable statement, go here, paste inside the main method, paste it, and you want to print the variable, copy the console write line, go here, paste it, and one more line we'll put it, console dot write read line to wait for the user input, user enter key. So now here we have created the variable, we are printing the variable and waiting for the user enter key. Let me now start the program. It will compile the program. Once compilation is succeeded, it will start the program. Compilation is succeeded, build succeeded, and it started the program. The variable the name and the value is Tom, that is printed, and it is waiting for the user input. The cursor is waiting for the user input. Let me press enter, then the program will be ended. This is how you can create the variable and print the variable. If you have any question in C# or any other language in the software, please add it in the comment or send the email to onlinetechuniversity@gmail.com. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.